In today's video, I'll show you how to find your secret key in 1Password. This is useful when you're setting up a new device or need to reference it for account access. First, make sure you're logged into your 1Password account. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen where your name appears. Click on your name to open the drop-down menu, then select Manage Account. This will take you to your account settings page where all your important security details are stored. On the Manage Account page, scroll until you find the section labeled Secret Key. This key is a critical part of your account security and works alongside your master password to unlock your vault on trusted devices. Here you see your secret key displayed with options to either copy it or reveal it on screen. If you choose to show the key, make sure you're in a private and secure environment, since this information is highly sensitive. You can also copy it directly if you need to paste it somewhere immediately, such as during device setup. That's all it takes. Just remember to keep your secret key safe and avoid sharing or displaying it unnecessarily. Knowing where to find it ensures you can quickly set up new devices and keep your account secure. Thanks for watching and stay safe.